Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori. Welcome to my life and welcome to the unboxing of Bang stationery that I won on Robyn's Closet. So I will link Robyn's Closet down below. Please go check her out. She does lots of videos and reviews and boxes, and she's just the sweetest lady ever. But check her out, okay? Subscribe. Check her out and see what she has going on. So this box is actually a Christmas box. It doesn't matter to me if it's Christmas now or Christmas in 10 months. I love Christmas stuff. So we're going to go through and see what I got in this box. I'm excited. So the first thing that's in the box is the card that just tells you about that company. This is what the box looks like. Lots of goodies in there. So we're going to go through the box and I'm going to show you what I got. Actually, that's my smoothie. I'm eating my lunch while I am filming today. And also, you guys may see a difference in my lighting. My ring light that I have usually on the side of me to bring in more light is broke. It's on the way, but I don't have it yet. So the only ring light I have, you see it probably in my glasses, is the one in front of me that's holding my phone. So, and it's cloudy outside, so there's not a lot of natural light coming in. So hopefully there's enough light for you guys to see. Okay, let's look at our first thing. Oh, this is so cute. This looks like a little bag to put something in. You could probably like put a bottle of alcohol or something in this little bag and give it as a gift. I like that. Okay, let's see what else I got. Okay. Oh, looks like there's a little Christmas tree on this little notebook. And inside, it's just lined paper and it's actually really dark. So I can actually see the lines. So this might be a good book to put the children's list down on, like my grandbabies. On like the first page, my oldest one, Tristan, what does he want for Christmas coming up in the next year? So then I can kind of put down the ideas for each of the children and what I've bought. That's super cute. I like that. Love, 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 love. Okay, so what are these? Here is this. They are Christmas envelopes. Super cute. Let me take off the ribbon real quick so that we can look at it and see. Okay, my light's flickering and I sure hope it's not gonna blow too. Okay, so, oh, that's pretty. You see? So that's kind of like the plaid Christmas. Okay, here's one that I really can't, I see that there's red and white on it, but I really can't see what it is. I'll have to look at it later though. There's that one. Oh, look at the little cars and stuff. I don't know. That looks like a fire engine. Look. Now you see my blindness, right? Oh, I do see this one says Holly Jolly Joy. Oh, how sweet. Look at this. Okay, these are really pretty. Here's the back of this one. I love these. Okay, the next one is, it's plain on the front, so it's white on the front, but look at the back. That's awesome. And this one is like candy cane stripes. I like that. So those are all envelopes for me to use for Christmas. And then I have a notebook that says goals on the front. Oh, how pretty is that? Look at the gold. And then the pink color. And inside, oh, look at this. Isn't that's awesome? The gold on the edges. And then when you open up, it's just plain paper. So that is super cute. I like that. I wonder if this would work for, oh, it's got the holes in it. You can put it in one of your like notebooks. That is super cute. It's got a lot of pages and look how dark the lines are. That is totally good for somebody who's visually impaired to have the dark lines. So I'm happy about that. I got a bunch of stickers. Let me go up so you can see. And then come down. Okay, so I got sticker. Oh, and I got some more. Some more stickers and a card. Oh, I love these kind of cards. It's like, it's homemade cards. It's got things you can touch and feel on the front, but this one's got a snowman. Back up a little so you can see the whole thing. Super cute. Oh, this looks like the one from The Grinch. Look at this one. Love it. Love it, love it. And then we have, that looks like candy, like tied up around it. That's super cute too. There's a little smaller card. Very pretty though. Then there is this right here. I'm gonna open it. I want to see what's inside. I want to see the actual card. Okay. Here's this one. Those are really pretty. Everything in here is just very pretty. Here's the second one, guys. And then there's one more. So I've gotten quite a bit of cards from this box and envelopes. There's just so much in here. Okay, so I did get, let me see real quick. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 envelopes. They're white, red, and green. So there's 6 of those. There's the, wait a minute. Yep. There's 2 of these green envelopes. Oh, and here's bigger ones. Look at this. And this one's thick. It's like in cardstock. And this one too. So those are super cute. They're like heavy duty envelopes. You can put a lot in those. And then it looks like there's little, oh, it looks like a little stocking with a bear. And it's like tear off sheets of paper. Let me show you. I have no nails, guys. You know that. So you just pull them off and you can use them for to remember things. And the last thing in this box, oh no, there's a couple more, hold on, is this paper. And hopefully I am right side up. And then there's this on the back. So those big envelopes, you can use this to especially write, like, you know how people write letters about their year? This would be great. You can feed that right through the printer and have it print down on here. That's super cute because there's quite a few in here. Let's see. Yeah. So that would be totally cute to do that and then take one of these big envelopes and fold it in half because it would work perfect. You'd fold it in half, have your yearly family letter and send it out at Christmas. And the last 2 things I got, they're so cute. Look at this. They're little pins. And then you just take off the end and then super cute. Okay, guys, so that's the end of that box. That box is called Bang Stationery. I will link it below along with Robyn's Closet, and that's the giveaway that I received from her. And Robyn, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love everything. And it doesn't matter if I got it past Christmas or not. I love Christmas stuff. And you'll know that as you watch me. I love to decorate early. I love to just plan early for Christmas. So once again, thank you. I appreciate the giveaway. And I will be using everything in this box, I think, for the giveaway. So to my subscribers, thank you for coming and hanging out with me. If you are not subscribed and you like this type of content along with vlogs, travel, beauty, makeup, hair, kind of a little bit of everything. And there are some vlogs coming out on my keto diet and about my blindness. So if you're interested in any of those, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified, click the like button. Helps me a lot, guys, if you do that. I am on my way to 250 subscribers. I think I'm at like 182 today. So once I get there, I will have a huge giveaway to do. It's going to have a BOLZANO bag in it filled with skincare, makeup, lifestyle, everything, and it will go to one winner. Also, I am getting ready to film another giveaway. It is a small giveaway with some jewelry and some other things. So look for those two videos. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, I'll get to 250 quicker. I really appreciate that you guys took the time to come out here and watch my videos. Always, always, always. Okay, guys, love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.